Hello everyone, this is DMC1124. It is a 1996 Nissan Gloria. This vehicle is being sold on consignment through our premium inventory. It's a super nice car. We actually sold this car a few years ago. It never made it to the website, so now is your chance to buy it. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, definitely let us know. We'd be happy to send you pictures or video, whatever you would like to see. If you're watching on YouTube and have a quick question, feel free to leave a comment. Nice big trunk. Jack and toolkit over there. Spare under here. And lastly, we will go check out the engine bay. The VG30E engine in this one. DC Racing coilovers there, as you can see. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more behind the scenes content, check out our other YouTube channel. This one is specifically for walk around videos and inspection videos. If you guys have any questions about this car in this video, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them. If you want to see specific things, pictures, video, we'd love to send you those too. Thank you so much for watching.